Hello and welcome to Simple Cryptocurrency Demos. My name is Claudio and this is Phantasma Chain, the channel where I do cryptocurrency news, reviews, demos, interviews, and blockchain games reviews. And in today's demo, we're going to be looking at a new feature of the Phantom wallet, which is the cryptocurrency wallet used for the Phantasma blockchain. And this new feature is called the swap feature, and many of you probably know about it. It basically allows you to swap the Neo blockchain Sol token to the Phantasma blockchain Sol coin by simply mapping your Neo address to your Phantasma blockchain address. And I'm going to show you how you can actually do that, but unfortunately I can't actually show it to you live and actually do a swap because this feature is not fully functioning yet on mainnet. However, the Phantasma Chain mainnet should launch tomorrow, Monday the 30th of September, because that is when Q3 ends. So unless we get some other news, it should just launch tomorrow as they've promised. So we'll see if this specific feature that I'm going to be covering, which hasn't actually been released to GitHub yet, so this isn't available for anyone but only for me, is actually going to be going live tomorrow. We don't know that yet, so we'll find out tomorrow when mainnet launches, but I wanted to cover this specific feature. So here we are. So after you log into the actual wallet, this is how it looks like. Here we've got the portfolio, the send, the receive, the swap, which I'm going to be talking about, history, contract settings, and log out. And it even tells you the version of the wallet, which is 0.2.0. This is what we've got right now. This is the swap assets functionality. There's the cosmic swap and the chain swap. Okay, now the cosmic swap, which allows you to swap between different cryptocurrency assets, isn't available yet. Okay, so may not be available on mainnet either, not straight away at least, but it's after some time. And then the chain swap, which is the one that a lot of people will be interested in for staking Phantasma, right? For staking Sol, because that's what people want to do. They want to stake it. They want to use the Sol Master status to gain KCAL, which is energy, and also the Sol tokens or Sol coins because they're on Phantasma blockchain. And again, just to reiterate, the Sol tokens on the Neo blockchain can be swapped in and out, of course, but you need to use the Neo version to be able to trade on exchanges such as KuCoin or Switcho. So hence why for the rest of this year and possibly next year, until they announce it further or they give us more information, you will be able to swap in and out just like that. So this is pretty much how you do it here. So I've actually got, you can link your Neo address here to your Phantasma one, and I've actually got a Neo address here that we can use as an example. Okay, let's paste this in, and just to show you how it works. So it does actually tell you here from Neo blockchain to Phantasma blockchain, and of course this can be changed, but that feature isn't available yet. And you simply click update, and here you go. You get a confirmation asking you to swap, or not to swap, to link this address, which is the Neo address, to the Phantasma blockchain address. You click confirm, and that's pretty much it. Now I don't think this is actually gonna link because I've tried this earlier. Now they're still actually working on this specific version, hence why it hasn't been deployed to GitHub yet. It's not actually available because it's not a fully functional feature yet. But this is pretty much how it is. As you can see, I'm getting a bit of an error here. It doesn't actually give me an error, but it says object, which is referring to the actual text box probably, or to the actual object that it doesn't exist because this is still in development. But I wanted to cover this specific feature just to kind of get a glimpse of what you may expect and what you may need to do. So this is pretty much how it is, and then it should just link the address. So where it says no address linked here, it should actually link this Neo address that I've got, which could have Sol tokens on it, and of course you could then swap them in and out. And when you click update, that'll link it, and that'll give you more options to be able to do the actual swap between the Sol token on the Neo blockchain and the Sol coin on the Phantasma blockchain. So here, this is this refresh button here. If we click on that, it does tell you you can swap from Phantasma blockchain to Neo blockchain. Again, if you want to trade your Sol coins, your Sol tokens on exchanges, okay, they will need to be on the Neo blockchain as I mentioned earlier. And here it gives you a warning saying do not link your wallet to an exchange wallet. Please link it to a personal wallet only. Okay, so you need to be careful with that, not to make any mistakes there so that you don't actually lose your Sol tokens. So yeah, this feature is not available yet. It will be coming soon, so not available from mainnet, but my guess is that this is going to be available from mainnet, which is the chain swap. And again, the cosmic swap isn't available yet, so that's coming soon. But for the rest of the stuff, I mean pretty much the exact same. The portfolio, the send, the receive, the history, the contracts, the settings, where you are able to change currencies and things like that. So I have actually done another demo of the Phantom wallet, and it's going to be accessible here. So just click on the link that you see popping up and access it directly there if you're interested to check all the different features. But this specific tutorial is mostly focused on the Cosmic Swap feature and the Chain Swap. So yes, that's pretty much it from today. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Are you excited for mainnet tomorrow? Are you looking forward to it? Are you a soul master and are you looking to stake your soul? See you in my next video. Take care. Bye bye.